Hi everyone, welcome to ITPK. In today's quick video, I'm gonna show you how to create a ChatGPT account or how to sign up for ChatGPT. To create a ChatGPT account, please go to this URL chatgpt.com/auth/login. I will add this URL in the video description. So once you are at this URL, you will find these three options: login, sign up, and try it first. So in this video, we're supposed to create a new account for ChatGPT or to sign up for ChatGPT that we can use that account on ChatGPT browser, ChatGPT application, ChatGPT Windows application, ChatGPT Android or ChatGPT iOS application. We will use this specific account anywhere we use to log in to ChatGPT. So let's go ahead and click on sign up for ChatGPT. Once I click on sign up, I got few options here. I can enter my email address. To continue, I can use my Google account, I can use my Microsoft account, and I can use my Apple account. So as this video tutorial is for your guidance here, I will use a separate account for ChatGPT here. So let's go ahead and enter that. Okay, let's click on continue. Here, let's enter the password that we want to set up. Password must contain 12 character. Okay. If you want to review your password before proceeding, you can click on show password, but I'm okay with that. Let's click continue. Now ChatGPT sent a code on my Gmail. Let's go ahead to Gmail and we got the verification email from ChatGPT to verify the code. Okay, we got the code and we are ready to verify our code to ChatGPT. Let's copy this code. Let's go ahead and paste the code here and then click on continue. Now ChatGPT is asking few more details from me. Let's enter my full name and asking me to enter the birthday here, right? Let's enter any birthday here and now click on continue. And now I have successfully created the account for ChatGPT, right? And I can use this account to log in to ChatGPT application anywhere. And this will also save all history related to my account. If I want, I can go to upgrade to ChatGPT from here as well. But I can use free ChatGPT here for my most of tasks, content writing, or any other work. So that's it about today's simple and quick tutorial on how to create a ChatGPT account or how to sign up for ChatGPT. Thanks for watching, keep watching, and don't forget to subscribe ITPK. Take care, bye.